Hi again, everyone. Before we begin, we had a lot of questions on how to access Dr. Tan's treatment protocol section. So I'm going to give a quick demonstration so you can easily navigate through our site and find his most valued $1,000,000 protocols, which, yes, you might have guessed, made him millions of dollars. I imagine you can too. Let me show you how to access Dr. Tan's 40 years of experience on our website. As you can see, I'm on our eLotus homepage. And at the top of the page next to where it says Continuing Education, I'm going to click on Core. Core is the free section of our website where we list a collection of real essentials for your practice. No theoretical stuff. Everything listed is 100% practical and effective information that delivers real results. Now that I'm in the Core site, to navigate to Dr. Tan's section, I'm going to click on Explore More. And then I'm going to click on Overview. This page is then organized into 3 sections. There are details about the balance method, his top prescriptions, his biography, his courses, and our Gold Pass. To learn more about each section, click on the white or purple buttons and it will take you to a new page. Now let's go back up to the first section of this page and click Discover More. Here we have a summary explaining the balance method as well as each section of the page outlined for you at the top. Here you can see the overview, step 1, step 2, visuals of the 5 systems, a chart of the 5 systems, and also a feature which shows the integrated master tongue points with the balance method meridians. And then step 3, which provides you the mirroring and reverse mirroring charts, 4 imaging charts, as well as a chart of the hologram theory, all laid out so you can quickly reference it wherever you are. At the end of the page, you'll also see that we included a case study for a patient with lateral knee pain. If you scroll down a little further, you can also enter the $1,000,000 combos page here. And of course, beneath that, you can see that any course purchased or accessed through our webinar weekdays provides access to our clinical manual with the top 100 protocols for the top 100 of the most common disorders you see in the clinic, all created by Dr. Tan himself. The login information can be found on the blue course access pages of your active courses. Now, let's check out Dr. Tan's $1,000,000 combos and other special protocols by clicking on Explore Balance Method Prescriptions. If you're not logged in, a blue message will pop up. Simply click Log In and enter your account information. You will then be directed back to the home page, but you can quickly access this page again by clicking Core, Explore More, and Treatment Protocols. On this page, you will see a huge list of Dr. Tan's most famous protocols, including his $1,000,000 combo protocols, which literally made him $1,000,000. For Dr. Tan's $1,000,000 combo for back pain, you can see which points to needle on the left side, right side, as well as the indications, actions, and needling techniques to help you get jaw-dropping immediate results. You can also use the filters on the left if you're looking for something more specific. Let's take a look at the emotional, psychological, and mental filter. Here we can see 5 protocols for different circumstances. Let's view the 8 magical points for Shen disturbance. Here you can also see which points to needle on the left side, right side, the indications, actions, and the needling techniques as well. Feel free to explore this section and master these protocols. If you want to learn more about Dr. Tan and all of his courses, you can click on either of the last 2 sections on our Balance Method Overview page to view them. I will click on the last one, Explore Dr. Tan's Courses. Here you can view Dr. Tan's 15 exclusive courses with eLotus. You can also click into each class to learn more. If you want to access all of his teachings and unlimited CEUs for a whole year, our Gold Pass is the ultimate TCM membership to unlock generations of wisdom and knowledge. I will put the link to our Gold Pass shortly. I hope this helps you navigate our new Balance Method course section, and I will send a link to this page again for you. Now let's get started with today's webinar.